So my name is Sarah. I'm a project manager at Ciklopea, and we're an industry-focused LSP. We work a lot with pharmaceutical companies and with technical translations, and we support clients throughout the world, particularly focusing on our regional languages and European languages, but we have a wide range of language pairs that we work with on a daily basis. In particular, we started using memoQ recently for the SharePoint Connector feature, which was something new that we worked on with the memoQ development team. And this was mainly because one of our clients wanted to automate their translation process by allowing us to automatically pull and push translations, text to be translated from their SharePoint through a CAT tool. In particular, with respect to the SharePoint connector, we chose memoQ because it had the best solutions for the type of SharePoint site that our client had. It allowed us to see their posts on their different sites. It allowed us to create memoQ projects from those posts and push them back to the site after they were finished. So this was very handy for us and very quick and effortless. So that was the reason why we went for memoQ in this particular instance. There are lots of other reasons for our other projects as well, but yeah, that's the one I wanted to highlight today. We worked directly with the developer of the SharePoint connector for this project, and they helped us set up the connector on our server, and they also tweaked some things in the connector just to tailor it to our needs, to make it more compatible with our client's site, basically. And they've always been here along the way every time we've had any issues and while we were rolling it out and testing it. And now when it's in production and we're working on a daily basis, they're still here to kind of give us a hand anytime we have any questions. So yeah, it's been very great. Being able to push things directly to memoQ really helps. Once they're in memoQ, we have project templates. So setting up the project is really easy because we already have all of the teams that work on the projects set up in our templates. We have our project memories. So it's really, really quick to set up a project and to get it off the ground, actually. I have a lot of favorite features. This SharePoint connector is amazing. That is pretty easy. I like working with it. It's fairly fast. It's easy to use. I think my other favorite feature is definitely the project templates. They save a lot of time and a lot of hassle. And I think as well, I really actually, maybe it sounds a bit strange, but I enjoy playing around with the tools for importing documents when I have a particularly complicated document that I need to import myself. So I would recommend memoQ to linguists who are comfortable working with online projects, as well as linguists who are happy setting up their own projects, because obviously they do have that option if they have their own license as well. From a project management perspective, I would definitely recommend it for projects that require more complicated preparation for documents that are multilingual, that are much more complicated than your standard Word document, which you just put into the tool and then pull out the translation when it's done. So I think those are definitely the top recommendations from me. I think that's it. Thank you very much for your time. We very much enjoy using memoQ, and we're looking forward to many more projects like this one in the future.